Alright, let's go over how to draw Leonardo from Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. It's going to be step by step for beginners. Stay all the way to the very end, and you're going to know how to draw this guy, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start with the curve of the top of the head right there, like so. I'm going to go over here on this side, curve up, down, going across up over here, down over here, down along the side of the mask. So every one of these Ninja Turtles has a different shaped head slightly, and it's cool that they do that for the new one. Curve over here, side of the mask on this side. Alright, so far so good. You know, we're going to do the center of the mask now. Pull down. Curve over here. And line over on this side. Line on this side. Curve down. And line over here. Curve line at the bottom, pulling up, curve on the top here, down over here the corner, line, over here on this side, out, down, this side, out, down, curve underneath. So far, so good. We have the general head of Leonardo, okay? By the way, in the comments, tell me who your favorite Ninja Turtle is. I'm very curious. And I also want you to look into the description. There is a free how to draw cute ebook. So if you've ever wanted to draw something cute and adorable, it's there. I was selling it. This thing cost $20. Literally, I was selling it for $20 for a while. For this time, really, because everybody's a a member here. It's free. I'm just giving it away. I wanted to put it in the description there for everybody to download. It is, like I said, one of the best things I've ever done. It's a cute drawing ebook. So if you always want to do that and you wanted worksheets on directions for it, that's where you go. It's 20 bucks, and I'm sorry, it was 20 bucks. Now it's free, but it's like 22 pages, hardly any writing, all visuals, and it's there for you to enjoy. So take a look at that when you have time. Let's get back into this. Line over here in the mask. Let's go down on this side, edge of the mouth, and on the side, edge of the mouth. All right. We're going to go over here for the eyes. Circle. Circle. And we're going to fill this in right here. Over on this side, same thing. Just going to fill that in there to kind of get a good idea, obviously to give him personality and so on. Downward here on this side. Downward here, just a bit, not too far, and I'm gonna curve over here on this side like a smile. Open up this a little bit, like down here, like the mouth is open. Curve underneath, and I'm gonna pull up on this side. Curve, like line across the center. Almost like he's smiling, but we're not going to do that. We're actually going to do something else. We are going to fill this area in. Like so. Line, line.
This might answer your question.
And we are going to throw small scratches on him on the mask. So line right here around the folding, line right here, line right here, line right here, and we're throwing these thinner lines as detail. You want to do that because line here, line here. You want to do that because it kind of gives it the, like, basically more detail gives more impression of more work, and you know, you want that to be seen like that. Up over here, and it gives it a kind of depth and reality that things sometimes won't do that, you know. Down over here on this side. And what we're going to do here is we want that sticker look for Leonardo. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a thicker line around the border, right? It's important that you do that. Across, down, over here, downward. And this thicker line just makes everything on the inside appear to be thinner, like thinner lines and so on. Kind of gives it that's containing the complicated shapes for some reason. You want that to do that. And if you want, we can also stick on the you know, because it's tied in the back. It doesn't always, I don't always do this, but let me do this line over here for kind of the tail end of where the bandana is tied. Maybe something like out, line over here, out over there, right? We have one kind of string of that bandana pulling down, and then maybe you have the other side coming down on this side. Line underneath, curve here, up. Just kind of giving that same thick line treatment to this bandana. What I want you to do is I want you to hit the like on the button if you're still here. Definitely hit the like currently, and then I want you to share the video with anybody, with anywhere, anybody, any social media. And the other thing I want you to do is I want you to stick around right now with me and do another video with me. So let's stick around and do another one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.